Hello, all my beautiful queens, and welcome to another video. Today we're doing Xrsbeauty Hair, and this unit is a water wave unit. As you can see, it's dripping. But if you want to see exactly how we got this installed, then stay tuned. Hey girl, so listen, today we are doing a Xrsbeauty, aka Xrsbeauty Hair unit. I think I have done maybe 3, if not 4 different units with them, and to me these are one of the highest quality natural units. Basically, this is your natural hair, girl. I mean, this is basically natural hair. So I have a really cute unit. They sent me a water wave unit, which y'all know is one of my favorites. I know y'all probably tired of water wave hair, but I love it. And even more, what we really love, girl. Can you see me, girl? No. I gotta be the one you love. Okay, now put this your arm, cause you know my skin a little different. Put your sexy arm up there.
Lord,
what?
I was trying to curl my hair.
Oh, you just
okay, come on.
I didn't even see you curling your hair.
I'm gonna help you.
You gonna help? You the model. I need you to be a hair model.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the. That's the transparent lace.
This is the transparent lace, which is kind of still bouncing off my skin a little bit.
This is the brown lace.
This is the brown lace. Oh, wow.
That's the brown. Now here is the invisible lace.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Girl, that you don't see nothing.
You see nothing. Like, literally. You can't even see where the lace went on, can you? You can't even see where it started, right?
Now you see me, now you don't. Now how it look on mine? You know they love these big old. Nidra, you so rough. You a boy mom.
I'm so sorry. Yes, I am. But see, this goes with her skin as well. Even though she's a darker tone, she could put a little bit of her foundation on and it'll blend perfect.
Perfect.
Yep.
Okay, so let's get our install. We're doing Xrsbeauty glue. She curling her hair while I'm doing this, but I'll see y'all in a minute. Just Xrsbeauty glue. No gluing it down today.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now, show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. All of your love. Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high?
Okay, girl, thank you so much for making it all the way to the end of the video. Shout out to Xrsbeauty Hair for collaborating with this unit. Listen, their motto or slogan rather is that this is your natural hair, because they want you to get the most natural look possible. And everyone, even here in the salon, that was the first thing that everyone said was how natural the hairline is. It blends effortless. If you're on the dark skin like me, if you're on the darker skin side like me, then to avoid the little bit of the ashiness or flashback, just always use some of your makeup and or concealer, and it's very easy. But it is a very seamless melt. I absolutely love this unit. It's a water wave unit, and I'll make sure all of the details are down below in the description box. Again, thank you so much to Xrsbeauty Hair for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, trying to control our emotions. If we on a right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I know when your intent.